I am so high right now. Like, oh, I'm fucking tripping, dude. That's traction. Whoa. Dude. Oh. Oh, dude. This is crazy. 5. Oh my god, I'm gonna be crossed tonight. Oh boy. Yeah, these are traction. What the fuck was I thinking? These aren't hydro. This is at Escuela de Música. The music school. Whoa, where are you going? Hey, don't you dare, buddy. I think this might have been US. But really doesn't seem like a US. Like, I really think this was what it originally was. But whatever. I guess we'll see. I'll check the fucking records before I upload this. Oh, man. Hold on a second. Yeah. I definitely did not just use my vape in there. We're fine. Alright, what's that?